should have.
Yes, you should have. Because I got 5 demerits for doing that.
Check my blind spot.
Yeah.
Even though I'm going into a left turn lane and they have to be in opposing traffic.
Yeah, I said that to him. I said, that means you'd have to come in. The guy would have to pass me on the oncoming traffic then, if he's going to pass me on that side. You know?
Yep.
But, now, change lanes, you have to check your blind spot. If it's still 5 demerits, I don't know if it still is.
So long the other day. Fucking love that car. Listen to it too.
I know. We just went through half a gallon of gas, so just doing that. You get the noise and you get the power, but you also get the fuel bill. You gotta learn the following. I learn them. That's scary.
For everybody else.
I know there's 2 of them.
I thought we were supposed to get in.
They're ganging up on us.
Guys.
These cars come out today.
Oh
See, I never came up KFC way. I came up Ren, so I didn't even go by KFC. I'm thinking I was driving through Maple Ridge when you gave me it. And I goes, oh, okay, so I'll call them when I get to KFC in Maple Ridge. Sure, okay.
Yeah, no.
Once you get that all done up without wrecking it before you do it all up, you know, it'll be a nice truck.
I hope so. One of the big things that I want to get for them, after the tires, but a roof rack. And
Yeah.
I don't mean like...
I know what you're talking about. You want the metal one and
the basket.
yeah. Then you want a big fucking lift jack.
I don't know if I want to lift it more than maybe 4 at most.
Nothing wrong with the size that it is now. You can crawl underneath it.
Yeah. Like even as it is now, I'm not too concerned.
You know, must be a show going on or something. Lots of old cars around.
Must be. Okay, I want to try and take this left.
Go ahead. Blind spot.
I don't make that connection. I don't make that look there because there's nothing there.
I know, but that's unless they've changed the rules, but that's what they had to do when I did it.
Solid yellow line, man.